Good old number 2. Trevor Hoffman, Roy Halladay. Ooh, and what do we have here? A Spectrum swatch of
Ryan Braun.
Ryan Braun, number 18 out of 99.
Another nice pull.
Albert Pujols and Frank Thomas.
Speaking
Speaking of Hall of Famers.
2 left or 3 left? 2 left.
You can do the last one if you like.
Oh, isn't that nice of her?
Jake Peavy, Troy Gloss, Brandon Webb. Oh, it's numbered. 20 out of 25.
Another decoy. Thank you.
Chris Young and Rick Ankiel, and I'll let you do that.
Last
And
but not least.
And we were wondering what was happening to our planet.
I've ruined it all by myself. Dice K. Ooh, World History, Desert Storm, 20th anniversary, a decoy, Chase Utley, and Joe Mauer. So that's all it is. As far as the case strip, again, we'd be doing 12 boxes instead of 1. And if you were fortunate enough to have the Yankees, you would get all the cards associated with the Yankees. At Red Sox, all the Red Sox cards. Then the other special thing is any card that did not relate to the particular teams that we pick in the lottery, such as a celebrity card, such as a Lita Ford autograph, would go into a random drawing for all those who purchase a spot. So again, June 6th, 6 p.m. It's going to be a lot of fun. We'd love to have you attend. We're going to start selling spots this week. And the first 15 people to sign up will either get an NFL DVD or a Panini Matt Stafford rookie card, courtesy of our friends in Texas at Panini. So thanks again. Thanks for watching our first case break. And
we hope to see you all on June 6th. It's going to be a lot of fun, so we encourage everyone to attend.
And don't forget, this is our first taping of American Legends TV. Bye.
bye.
Bye.